If you feed MIS, Management Information System, output data into this AIDNN, deep neural network, designed for education metrics as shown in video. Here's the complete set of analyses the network can perform and insights it can generate. Brain DNN as AI engine. Model architect, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Overview. A deep neural network, DNN, is an advanced AI engine designed to learn and process data in layers just like how the human brain thinks and evolves. In the educational domain, it helps transform raw MIS data into actionable predictions and insights. Architecture as per the diagram. Input layer. Features from the MIS system. Attendance. Assignments. Tests. Participation. Behavior. Homework. Learning hours. Parental involvement. These are the learning signals fed into the AI engine. Hidden layers, AI cognition zone. Hidden layer 1, H1N1 to H1N6. Hidden layer 2, H2N1 to H2N4. These layers perform complex mathematical computations. Learn nonlinear dependencies. Represent Pradeep K. Suri's AI logic design, where neurons interact with weighted edges to detect meaningful academic patterns. Output layer. AI engine classifies students into white heavy check mark pass. Warning needs improvement. Cross mark fail. This is the decision-making outcome, analogous to a teacher's judgment, only faster, unbiased, and based on historical learning. Brain. Why this DNN is an AI engine, designed by Pradeep K. Suri. AI engine role description. Cognition simulator. Hidden layers simulate decision branches like a human education expert. Multi-signal processor combines 8+ input signals and derives probabilistic outputs. Predictive model predicts student outcomes even with incomplete data. Explainable AI, XAI, can highlight why a student is predicted to fail, example low attendance. Adaptive engine learn continuously with more MIS data, improving future predictions. Bar chart applications designed by the AI architect. Academic risk forecasting dashboard. Student segmentation engine for interventions. Automated reports for top/middle/operational management. ISO 21001 alignment monitoring, audit readiness. One student performance classification. The output layer classifies students into white heavy check mark pass. Warning needs improvement. Cross mark fail. This helps institutions quickly categorize students for targeted interventions. Bar chart 2. Multifactorial influence analysis. By analyzing inputs such as attendance, assignment scores, test results, participation, parental involvement, learning hours, the AI will reveal brain which features most influence student success or failure. Chart increasing how multiple variables interact nonlinearly to affect outcomes. Triangular ruler 3. Predictive performance modeling. If the MIS system provides historical data, scores, attendance, behavior, etc., the DNN can predict future academic status. Forecast risk of student dropout. Estimate likelihood of academic improvement or decline. For root cause analysis. The hidden layers identify complex patterns. The AI can detect if poor parental involvement is a core factor, if behavioral issues correlate with academic struggles, whether test scores versus assignments show a mismatch needing attention. Chart increasing 5. KPI dashboard integration. AI outputs can feed real-time KPI dashboards for top management rightward arrow summary insights, example percent fail, average scores. Middle management rightward arrow department level or class level analytics. Operational level rightward arrow student-wise attention needed. Brain 6. Adaptive learning insights. Using model feedback. Suggest custom learning paths. Recommend interventions, example more parental engagement. Highlight students needing immediate support. 7 weight and impact heat map. DNN can compute features importance weights. Which input, example attendance, has the strongest connection to a pass result? Which has negligible or negative impact? This can be visualized as heat maps, Sankey diagrams, bar charts with weights, speech balloon aid. Explanation for each prediction, XAI. With explainable AI, XAI, enhancements. Provide justifications for each student's result. Example, needs improvement due to low learning hours and behavior issues. Calendar 9. Longitudinal analysis. If miss contains multiple time periods, AI can track progress/regress trends over semesters. Trigger alerts for continuous decline or improvement. Puzzle piece 10. Strategic academic planning. Help educational leaders design data-driven policies, allocate resources efficiently, personalize curriculums and support plans, sample real-world applications. Department AI use case example. Academic student performance prediction. Administration identify at-risk students early. Parent portal feedback based on DNN predictions. Counseling mental health flags from behavioral data. Government compliance analytics, ISO 21001 metrics tracking. Thank you.